Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and also put that notification bell on so you can get notified every time I upload a video. With that being said, I just wanted to bring this video of all the items that I bought at 3 places, which was Ross, Hobby Lobby, and at home. I did accumulate all these items for the past few weeks, so I didn't buy everything all at once because, you know, that'd be a little bit crazy. So if you like these type of videos, just keep on watching and I would greatly appreciate it. So I'm just gonna start off this video with Ross. I just got a few items there a few weeks ago. I am going to try to remember the prices because I did accidentally throw away my receipts. I accidentally took the prices off because, you know, I wasn't expecting to do this video because I am very shy in front of the camera, but I'm trying to get out my comfort zone and do these type of videos more often. But anyways, let's just start. So the first thing I got at Ross was this hourglass. I thought it was super pretty and I thought it would be perfect for my office. So my best friend got me this item at Ross and I appreciate you. Thank you, Jessica. It's this camera decor and I thought it was so cute. I am a photographer, so I thought this fit perfectly in my office. And I got this candle. It's silver and I'm actually going to make another video about this because I did buy some more items at Hobby Lobby that I am going to do like an entryway type of video for a table that I bought at Hobby Lobby, which I will show you. And I got this, I guess you will call it a lantern at Ross. And I also think this was on sale and I think it was like $8.49 and that's the reason why I really bought it because it was affordable. But yeah, this was, I thought it was pretty cute, so I decided to get it. Oh yeah, see? No, I lied. This is $10.99, but it was on sale. And then for this, I'm actually gonna put the candle inside, just like that. I'm not gonna turn it on because safety reasons, but maybe I'll get a fake one eventually. So the next place I went to was At Home, which by the way guys, I've never been there before until last week. And I have no idea why I've never been there because that place is like heaven. Not really heaven, but you guys know what I mean. Anyways, I only got 3 items there. The first item I got was another one of these candles, but at this time it's pink and this was $4.99. I'm actually gonna redo my bathroom because I got bored and now I want to change it all up, but I'll record that also just for you guys to take a look. That's what happens with me. I get bored so often that I just want to redesign everything and redecorate. That's why it's a good thing that some of my friends want me to decorate their house, so get that urge out of me. So, you know. Another item I got was, I think it's a cup, but it really isn't a cup. It's just a nice little decor jar. And this was $5.99. So I'm gonna eventually put the flowers I have in my bathroom already. I'm gonna actually put it in here. The final item I got, guys, I've been looking for this everywhere, and even though it was a little bit pricey, at least for me it was $14.99, but still $14.99 is $14.99. Anyways, it is this marble tray and it has gold handles. As soon as I seen this, I could not pass it up and I just needed it. I got this vase. It was $3.99, which is pretty good. And I also got this. And this is $2.49. I actually got this for the price. This was $3.99, so I am gonna take out what it says inside and put something else in it. I'm not really sure yet, but this is gonna go in my dining room. Okay, so the items I also bought there were not on clearance, but most of them are 50% off the price because they do a lot of 50% off a lot of items. So I'm gonna start off with these flowers, which I got it for my dining room. And it just matched the colors, so I thought it was very pretty. And this was $8.99. So the other florals I got was these blue flowers. Got this one and then a blue rose, as well as this color and this. So I got this for my friend because I'm gonna make her a centerpiece for her coffee table. And the roses were $6.99 and then the bigger flowers were $7.99. And I also got this faux plants, because I do have real plants in my apartment. I did say this several times before in my videos, but they're all dying. And honestly, I cannot keep up with that. This was $9.99, so it was 50% off of this. And I thought this was so cute. It's this elephant. It's this elephant. This was $4.99. However, it was 50% off. I thought it would be perfect for the bookshelf I have in my living room. And I got this leaf that kind of cascades down. I'm gonna actually use it in the basket that I got in the 75% aisle that I showed you previously, but I thought it was cute. And this was $16.99. And then I got this leaf. I see it everywhere, but I decided to get it because I actually want to put it inside here. You know, just stick it in there. That's why it's all like cut, but I was just gonna do that, honestly. Voila. I also got these floral cutters because those florals have wire in them, so I can't really cut it with regular scissors, so I had to buy this. This was $9.99. It was 40% off because I had a coupon that was online. And then I got this wall art, which I think is just like leaves and it's all white. And this was $23.99. But I did get it 50% off because it was all wall decor, 50% off. Kind of just stomped that there. And then the final thing I got from Hobby Lobby was this, oh, backwards, is this wall decor. Hopefully you can see it. Hopefully. I'm gonna put this in my dining room, and this was $34.99. Anyways, that is all for this video. I hope I didn't miss any of the pricing, and if I did, I will link them below, or I will add it to the description, because some of these stores like Ross, they really don't have an online store, but if I find something similar, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And again, if you haven't already, please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. I will see you guys next time. Bye.